Hey guys, welcome back. It's the fourth video in this series. I had a snack. I'm pumped up, and let's get some styling into our weird pod. Because I have a weird pod now. This is my pod, not a pod. So we're gonna do this. We're going to. Why is it broken? I don't know. We're going to let's create a new paint. I want two of them. Yes, there we go. This is just gonna stay for like 5-10 minutes. And I just need to design my patch. So I'm thinking of a cyan background. I have that color. Yeah, that seems like a nice color. Oh god, that's horrible. It's too big. Yeah, I'm not gonna do all of it. I'm just gonna do like half of it. Sorry. Technical difficulties. Let's get back to painting. We're gonna draw a pod. Very accurate. Let's go thick brush. Now we will go here and we will go in because this is going to contrast on black. So a nice red, orange-ish name here. That is cool. There we go. MS Paint is hard to use. Name here. And then we can do a cal. Price. Protein. If you guys are ever writing with a mouse, tip is lift the mouse slightly off the table, because if you're doing it on the table, it's going to be a lot harder. Like, I can get good handwriting, but just lift it like 2 millimeters off the table. It's better. Okay, back to this. Now we will have a details panel here. So this is, I'm going to have each right here. Details. And we'll have 3 segments like this, this, and this. We say it's sides, bugs. I have one more thing. Let's see here. I don't need this. Toss this here. There you go. That's better. Yeah, that's pretty all that I have. I should have 7 data points. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, there you go. That's the pod structure. It is a pod. Okay. Let's quickly import some colors. Okay, that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna go grab here stuff colors. That's it. Alright, let's see here. These colors. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna delete these. My bar should be vanished, and I'm gonna put these into the ULL bar right here, because I don't need to see that. No. That was Control Shift minus. It closes everything up. Okay, these are the colors. I'm not adding any more colors, so we can use. I'm gonna do teal, so we can use Free Guy for the border. So let's do that really quick. Menu. We'll have a dot pod. Let's do this here. Let's do here dot pod. Let's do a border hyphen color $, free guy, border color, and let's add a border. 2 pixels, solid. Let's do that actually. Free guy. and then a border hyphen radius of, what's that a radius of? 10 pixels. Yeah, 2 pixels. 2 pixels. Don't need that pain. I have an idea how this looks. I'm actually still gonna make it better. There you go. See, that looks a lot better. We can then go in here and go here. We can go with 50%. There's a reason I'm using percentage in this case. Go, and now what we can do is we can just be lazy. In my data, I'm just going to go in here. I'm just going to duplicate this a bunch of times. So the reason is just to see how it would look if we had more data points, which, sorry to say, I'm just lazy. That's not right. And we can then go to assess. Display spots. No, up here. Yeah, well. Okay, what we can do here is when you create this appetizer, class name pods. Yep. Here, and we can just create it like that. Is that we can do just do enter pods. And I have a good idea. Is that I can just create an appetizer foods. Treat it like this. Foods. I'm just gonna copy that. There you go. That is better. And then what we can get in here is we can just go in here and go, because they're all just gonna be similar, right? I can literally just be lazy like that. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Click, refactor, res refactor, rename, food. Yes. Go, blah, 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 app.js. Now what we can do is we can create food appetizers and then create a name as we can do. And now what we can also do is we can go down here. It's supposed to be foods, yeah. Then we can just do this and this. Main dish. Dessert. Says main dish dessert. They're good. Now we should also have dessert and food be rendering. No, we shouldn't. We have to fix this slightly. We just have to go in here and maybe accept it. Yeah, we already did that. Okay. See, main dish, dessert. There we go. Now what we can do, we're gonna pot. And we can just here some margin. Actually, we're gonna just do margin. That's 3 VH and then 0. So that's the top, bottom, not left, right. Margin. There we go. That looks so much better. Why is this? Why? Is it the list on top? So this is where I hate to use this. No, it's not that. 2 VH, I guess. 1 VH. If it takes 1 VH, we will give it 1 VH. Now, I'm gonna change the color of pods. We're gonna make it slide. I think slide would be like a nice color $sign slide. No, it needs to be bright. It needs to be bolding. And copy exhilarated. I don't know. I just like neon colors on black. It gives a nice vibe. Yeah. That's fine. We need to create a neon orange. I'm thinking of naming him Chandler. Chandler. I'm just writing on neon orange. So how I make my colors is I'll start with a base model of F. I like to use hexacolors because it's just cooler and easier. And then I change this first. Oh, no, I change this first. Then I change this. It's a little too orange. I mean, like bold orange. It's not neonish. Yeah, it's fine. Chandler, and then let's go in here, pot, and we'll name it right here as a color sign. Color sign Chandler. Okay, that is looking very, very weird, but yeah, I guess. Okay, cool. Colors.css is useless now. Bye-bye. You served a good purpose. Okay, now I have bunches of colors here. Yeah. So, next thing that I must do... Okay. Let's check the time. It's been 9 minutes. Got some time left. So, here... I don't like two spaces, but I'm just not gonna fix it right now. So this is looking like a nice menu, right? Not the best, but you know you could look at it. Okay, and here's what I'm gonna do in pods. I'm first do this, right? I move this into this. You can go. I have to do this real quick. Bang. I'm just gonna duplicate it. At mixin. Center. You guys are gonna be wondering why did I do that? Because then I can go in here and go at not here. I go in here and go at include center. Now it already had a bunch of, oh my god. That looks weird. So let's fix that. And I think I know. So what I'm doing is I'm doing this wrong, is that I have to do this to get rid of this. Okay, I have to get rid of this. So I'm still gonna keep the mix in, but I'll just do this. A dot div. Control D. Please format that. There you go. Div. It's there. It's just really, really weird. With 50%. Since I know the hard coded value, I can just go with 75 VHW divide 2 calc. Yeah, it's not working out good. Does pod apply the class name pod? That's a very good question. It does. It's good. I guess. So I need this to be a manual set of that. It's not happening, yo. With 50. Okay, fine, let's just do this. Let's see if this works. 75 VW. Okay, these two are working. The upper one, I don't know what's going on there. Stuffing them all in one. Okay, I know. I think if I just do this. Where'd it go? If I get rid of. Don't center. P. Oh, I don't care. Dot O. I should have dot O in here. What do I need to do? Let's just see if it works. Yeah, display. Flex. Just align items. Center. Not the one I need. Maybe this one, justify content. Please work. It's not working. Okay, I'm going to stop the recording here. I'm going to try and fix that. And when I come back, hopefully that should fix. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.